In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations using AI in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or a seasoned user, harnessing the power of automation can streamline your workflow, allowing more focus on what's truly important. So, let's dive in and explore how you can set this up effortlessly. First, navigate to your Jira project. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find a lightning icon. This icon is your gateway to all things automation in your project. Go ahead and click on it. Upon doing so, you'll be presented with an option to manage your automations. This is where the magic happens. Now, to start building a new automation, look for the button labeled Create with AI. It should be located at the top right, ready and waiting to assist you in creating an intelligent automation. Clicking this button is your first step towards crafting a seamless automation process with the help of AI. The next step is quite straightforward. It's time to enter a prompt for the automation you envision. Think carefully about what you want Jira to automate for you, be it assigning tasks, moving issues through different stages, or sending notifications. Once your prompt is ready, simply hit Enter. Here, patience is key. The system will take a moment to process and load your request. When it finishes loading, you'll be greeted with an automation diagram generated by the AI. This visual representation is a crucial aspect of your automation journey, as it allows you to see exactly how your automation is structured. Take this opportunity to review the diagram thoroughly. Look out for any edits or tweaks you might want to make to ensure the automation behaves exactly as you envisioned. With your desired edits made, you're ready for the final steps. The next action is pivotal. In the Automation Setup window, click Turn On Rule. This action activates your new automation rule, and with that click, your automation springs to life, ready to perform its designated tasks. And just like that, you've successfully set up an automation in Jira using AI. This process saves time and effort, enabling more efficient management of projects and tasks. Remember, automation isn't just about convenience. It's about freeing up your mind and energy for the creative and challenging aspects of your work. That's all for today's video. You've learned how to take advantage of Jira's powerful automation features with the help of AI. Keep exploring different prompts and configurations, and soon, you'll wonder how you ever managed workflows without them. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.